So guys, in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can elicit the values, how you can find the values. Values is so important to find, and the reason why is because when we know our values, we know that we value this, and we know our qualities also. Then what's happening, we can have behaviors, everyday behaviors through our values. And when we are doing behaviors through our values, what is happening is our self-esteem is growing. And when we have more self-esteem, that means that our confidence is gonna grow also. And that's amazing. This is the almost the only one thing that we have to do in order to be happy, mostly happy, and have, mostly more happy moments in our lives. I'm not gonna tell you that you're gonna be uh, all the time happy or every time you're gonna have the state that you want, but because every time we have a different situation, okay? But we can change to for how long and what is exactly. And how we can list values is the first thing is we have to know what we want to do in our lives. And when we know what we want to do, then 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 what we can do then is to to ask, for example, for what purpose do you, what's important about that, or we can ask questions like, what does this do for you? If you're gonna have what you want to have, what's important about that? What this doing for you? And the magic thing is when you're gonna find the resistance, because when I'm in the resistance is like I'm gonna ask you to imagine yourself having these qualities, these values that you just shared with me. And then I'm gonna ask you, for example, I want you to see that you are being these values, and tell me what is stopping you by having them. And when something is coming up, then we know that this something, it's resistance. The resistance does have a negative, it isn't there to stop you from your goals. Resistance, there is a reason why it's there, and is to protect you in some way. And what we want to do is to welcome the resistance and have a communication, have a conversation, and ask the resistance, what's your intention? What is your intention to be here with me right now?